Yesterday was a historic and brutal maximum pain event for many crypto investors. Remember it, it's going to serve you well in years to come. You deserve the wins after experiencing such a destructive day in the crypto markets. The wins probably won't be today, tomorrow, next week, or next month, but the wins will come. Always remember the feeling of yesterday, the 9th of May, and file that away in your crypto investing journal under Max Pain Experiences. You cannot buy these experiences, and these experiences are critical to the development as an investor. Unfortunately, some people were highly emotional and chose to take the crash personally. I was attacked like many others, like we had caused the crash, and that I took pleasure in seeing other people lose money. Maybe I did, but this should not matter to you. This is all a distraction. The opposite emotion is true too, whether it's being attacked or looking for comfort in some nurturing. Again, these are all distractions, whether it's being attacked or looking for nurture. If you were seeking out someone, a message, possibly from an influencer on YouTube or Twitter, to make you feel better, to nurture you, to tell you everything is going to be okay, you'll probably look for that next time, unless you break the cycle. And that cycle is the beginner cycle. So don't miss this opportunity to break the cycle. These experiences cannot be bought, and you don't want to throw them away. My goal in crypto and investing is to create leaders, not a bunch of yes men that turn to the next influencer for help to feel better when the markets turn south. All financial markets, whether stocks, real estate, or crypto, demand you to be your own leader in your own right if you're going to make it long term. There's no secret tips, there's no secret shortcuts, it is just a way of experience. And that experience comes a lot from our internal emotions on how we react to these events. The internal news, what we're giving ourselves, is the most important. The external news is the least important for our long-term success. So use this experience in cryptocurrency to level up now that we have had such a major event. Don't go back to being a beginner searching for how to buy crypto, what tips are next, 10x altcoins. These things are bound to come up again, and there will be some great information in them, but long term, you need to become your own person, your own investor. Create a plan now while the markets are down, and you'll reap the benefits of this as you continue to implement the plan throughout the next stage of the cycle. Part of that plan can be to implement strategies to help us become more honest with our own investments, and also implement stop losses to protect our capital before it's too late. When I think about honesty, I think about these projects. We've invested a lot of time in them, whether it's trading them, learning about their ecosystems, the fundamentals of the projects, but unfortunately, a lot of these projects do go to zero. The sad fact is many people are going to continue to buy up these projects. Fools are going to continue to believe in the broken hopes and dreams of these failed tech projects. But I urge you to be a little smarter with your investing moving forward. I want to see people succeed in this space and stay long term, because that is going to allow the space to grow. So don't be so naive about these projects with your hard-earned money that you've probably saved from a 9-to-5 grind that you'd probably prefer not to return to. And if you're still at the grind, this should be a fantastic incentive to not just throw the money away on other projects. The interesting thing about all of this is the financial markets are actually here to help us learn, to teach us lessons about ourselves if we dare to explore our downfalls. We all have them, and we're never going to be perfect, but we can commit to improving and set out our own personal investment plan on how we are going to achieve this. I wrote this message for you listening here today as much as I wrote it for myself. I'm not perfect, however, I strive to improve my trading and investing every day so I remain financially free for me, my family, and I hope you have the same goal too. Bear markets are a great time to reset your mind, get clarity, and figure out what it is you came here for. For without a specific goal and plan to achieve that goal, you're bound to repeat the same mistakes in the next crypto bull market. Again, this message goes for me just as much as it does for the next person who is interested in achieving their goals in the years to come. So with that said, I wish you all the best in your investing endeavors. I'm not going anywhere, and I don't think you should either.